on the tin ceiling, as you can see here. We got every room done except for the master bedroom here and both bathrooms. Everything else is done. So what we've been doing, we'll mark 1/2 inch out on each side and pop a line, and we use that line as what we go off of. We'll also mark over 1/2 inch here to start. And our tin is cut 1 inch shorter than the whole room, and there it's 2 inches shorter, 1 inch on each end, but in here, because of the way the deadwood, how far it sticks out, it's 1/2 inch on each side. So we line it up, get it 1/2 inch off the wall, line it up on that chalk line. Once it's good and square on there, screw it down, and then go on there. Really, you'll go with the end of the tin for there, but anyway, you got your chalk line for reference. And we pre-drill our holes. So once we get our line, we measure from our line all the way across here and figure out where each of these trusses sit. We've been laying our blocks out, laying it and screwing it, pre-drilling the holes, and we started on this end. So the very first one gets 2, right? But then when we lay our other ones down under it and use this as the template to pre-drill through all of them, that one doesn't get drilled on the rest of them. And then when you get to like the end, you don't screw it down because your next piece slides up under there. Then you screw that hole in there and it holds that end down. That's why I said the first one doesn't get 2, but it just gets the 1, right there. So that way all of your screw holes line up perfectly, and it's perfectly straight across. As you can see here, all of them are perfectly straight. And that's how, that's how we ended up doing it. So I get a little more video of, when we drill it out. But that's how it is. I got some, like I said, some B-roll of us putting it up. But that's the layout of it. That's how you get your holes pre-drilled, and that's how it goes up. Now when it comes to doing the lights in here, we measured off, marked off where we wanted our light, traced around it with this cardboard piece here because the paper that comes with it sucks. Anyway, traced around it, drilled a hole in each side, and then took the snips and then cut around it to put them up in there. as you can see, we got the roof done. This is already done here before, but we got all the ceiling done. I'll show you. And y'all saw just a glimpse of the scuttle hole that we did there to get up top of the attic. And here, all done, all the closets. Anyway, so all that's done. And all the corners like this, the normal corners is easy. You just, you know, overlap it, which we're gonna put tongue and groove up to it, and so wood will go there. So you just overlap it, run the screw through. But on the outside corners, like such as this one, you come out over there, so it has to come out the same width as this one, and the same thing as this, so 3.5 inches farther than the length of the wall. And then on the channel side here, it's got channel and the crown in there, stuck the other way. You got and you also probably saw it in some of the other, but you cut the top and the back out of it and just leave the bottom side that overlaps. Well, it didn't overlap on this one, but let's see if I can. So yeah, such as this one here, it comes out, you cut the back of it, and then the top of it that goes up behind the root ceiling, cut that out so that this piece doesn't hit it when you put it on. And then like right here, it's the same way, but on this one, it's a wall, and we had to double it. So on this one, the side one here, cut the back and the top out, back and the top out of that one. And then this piece is channel. It's only the width of this wall here, and the back and the top. And the back and the top's cut out on both sides for those. And then it just kind of acts as the crown does over there right here. So that's how that turned out. I think it turned out good. It kind of off. I didn't think about it. I put one in the ridge there, and I wasn't paying attention that there wasn't going to be one over here. Otherwise, I would have just put one all the way through here. But then you would have seen the screw looking at it like that. So I don't know. It's either or. It's just a little, you know, offset there, but it's fine. And then you saw we got these. We used some small J channel that y'all saw to do the fan lights here. So and you can hear that. And it's pretty quiet, but it moves a pretty good bit of air. And then the bedrooms, I would have liked for it to have all been like that, but there's really no way because your ridge is here. So yeah. But yeah, it all turned out pretty good. So that's it for the ceiling in here. I'm gonna end this video. And then we'll get on, we're about to start on the walls next, so we'll get on to that.